Hi friends, today we will study about the string methods. These are very important for strings. We can use them in strings. So here is a little bit definition about the all these methods. All string methods returns a new value. It means that they will return us a new value. They do not change the original strings. Just they have a new value at the time, but then they cannot change the original values. So here these have been listed out, so you can see on the screen. One by one we will see them. Here first our topic is how to capitalize. So here you can see I have written the code, and A is equal to hello, welcome to my data science course. This is this one. I want to print all this course before the capitalization. So here B is equal to A dot capitalize. Here I'm going to capitalize this string. So if I print it, see here the course has been capitalized. This line has been capitalized there. Hello, welcome to. You can see that here is a lowercase, so it has been capitalized first letter. So this way you can also use them if you want to use capitalization for any syntax or string values. So first and second over. For an example, there are written uppercase letters, but I'm going to make them in lowercase. So how will I? First function is this. I have been told you about them. This one. So second, we are going to study about this one, casefold. It is same as a lowercase. So let's see. See here. Both lines have been converted into lowercase. This is the lowercase, this is a C, and this is a B. Both lines have been converted into a lowercase. These function, both function you can use. So now next topic. Return the number of items the value apple appears in the string. It means that it counts the how many times apple is available in sentence. So just like this, see, just I have written this string value. Then b is equal to a dot count. I'm going to count the apple, that how many times is apple appears in the this sentence. So let's see. It will check 2, 1 and 2. If I change value here, love, see, 1. So just like this way you can count the letters in string. So how many times is this word in this sentence? So just like this you can use easily with the count. Okay, so here next, where in the text is word welcome. So it tells us that this word is located at this side. It means that it tells us for finding a something. So it helps us for finding a something. So here if I run it, see 6, 0, 1, 2. It means that tells us at the sixth position is this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is help welcome. If I'm going to find another word, so here my, run it, 17, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 16, 17. You can see that at the 17 location it is available my. So just like this, if you want to find another thing that it tells us, but you can find them with the index number. You can start the index from 0 and go ahead. So it tells us with the help of indexing. So next topic, where in the text is the word welcome. So here index, that was a find. Now I'm going to teach you about the index. So let's see here, same, the welcome at the 6, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 space. See here 6. Both things are similar to each other. You can use them with your way. So I have taught you these things. So now another topic, join. You can see here, first I have written their string values, simple string values. Now I have created this tuple. I still haven't taught you about the tuple. In the further videos, I will let you know about the tuple. Step by step, I'm going to cover the course, so you have to some wait. So here, this is a simple string, and this is a tuple value. Now I'm going to join this one, these things. I'm join. It means that you are going to adding another new value in these things. So here, if I print, see here, Ali Ahmad means Ali. This one, this is another thing, and here, this is another thing. This is going to be add in this thing. So you can see that Ali Ahmad Solanki, there is an extra added hash between the words. Here among the letters, you can see the hash has been added. So just like this way, you can use them. If you have any question about them, you can ask me. Check here. Check if all the characters in the text are in uppercase. So here we will see that we have a string values, but we want to check them. Are they values in uppercase or not? So here you can check with the isupper function. Okay, this is a string values, and I'm going to check with the help of upper values. See here, true. If I write there another value, see here, hello world, so output will be false because they are not in uppercase, all of them values. So with this way you can use easily. Here, make the first letter in which word uppercase. This is title. Title helps the every words will be upper. So you can see here, I'm going to execute this. See here, welcome is upper, W, to is upper, my is upper, and word is upper. Means every word's first letter will be upper with the help of title function. Next topic. Here is I have written the first string values upper at the top, and now here I'm going to see that is it titled. Title means every word should be with the uppercase, means every letter of the word should be with the uppercase. So here, let's see, we have to check here. See here too, because hash has upper, and has upper, W has upper, and every word has a first letter in upper. So this function help us to how to check them. Another function, I'm going to tell you about the definition about this function. Append the word banana, taking up the space of 20 characters with banana in the middle. So let's see how will be it. So here, if I run it, you can see I have assigned this banana into a variable, and I'm going to make it in the center. Means this is a value. If you give there 30 for an example, that see there what will happen, it will remove to the right side. So here, this is a original value, so this will be remaining same, you can see here, but I'm going to change the b value. This is a b variable. I have initialized these into b, so I'm going to print here b. So you can see banana has been moved from the right side, but I have given the position here. See here. So just like this way, if you want to um, string to move to right side, that you have to tell the position, that how many letters should be right side, or okay. So it is a center, you can see here. For going to at the center things, you can use with center function. Then after that, all the targeted strings will be at the centers. So here, with the help of center, you can do it. Now this is our last function of the strings. So I have used them and told you that how to use them, so you had to just practice all of them. So here, check if all the characters in the text are digits. Here, this is a string. This is not a integer value because there is a double quotes. A string means whatever is in double quote, that's a string, or single quote, that's a string. This is not an integer value. So here I'm going to ask that is it digits or letters. So here, see here, true. They are digits, but they are in string. So here, if I'm going to change the value here, see, false. They are not value, they are not digits. Digits means number. So with this way you can check all the functions. If you have any question about them, then you can directly contact me. There is my contact number and my Gmail ID in the description. Just follow them and step by step then practice. If you have any question, you can ask me. So thanks for watching. Thank you.